Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stop being charged for OpenArt, you don't delete your account. You simply switch your plan back to free. Here is exactly how to do it step by step. So first thing first, log into your OpenArt account, okay? Go to OpenArt's website, log into your account, go to account settings, okay? So here is your account, okay? You go to the settings section. Okay, now here you have to find subscription option, okay, or billing section, okay? So you have here many options, okay? Here also, so you have here manage subscription, okay, tap it. Look for subscriptions or billing, tap it. So we have I don't have any plan, so I'm using the free one, okay? So here click change plan. Okay, find the option change plan, switch to free plan, select free plan, okay, and confirm your choice. This cancels your subscription, and this is the official cancellation method, okay? And then confirm cancellation. So look for confirmation message or email, save proof just in case. What happens after you cancel? Subscription remains active until billing ends, okay, from the day one you subscribed in the OpenArt. No future charges, okay? Account switches to free afterward, okay? And unused credits may be lost, okay? So if you subscribe via App Store or Google Play, you must cancel through the platform itself from the iPhone App Store or Google Play, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.